Hello, everybody. Another update with the Access Consciousness Clearing Statement. I know lots of changes this year, but this one's been amazing. I'm actually just back from the Advanced Body class in Houston over the weekend and running the clearing statement with the new changes and additions was amazing, and all the body processes were just magical. So if you ever get to experience some Access Consciousness body processes, please choose that for yourself, because it's just there's no words for it. Anyway, the new addition that I'm speaking of right now is called the 100s, all 100. And the 100 is like the 100 stories you tell yourself. The first 50 are maybe the negative points of view, and then the other 50 to 100 are the positive points of view. And having both sides of the coin keeps you stuck in this place of not being able to choose. It's called a conflictual reality. So you can't choose anything different, and you don't see other possibilities because you have all these concepts in your head of what you think it could be, or what it's going to be, or what it should be, or what it isn't going to be, and how it can happen. And it's like, it's all this cognitive stuff. And when we clear the hundreds, it's like getting rid of all that crap and really truly opening to possibilities, the infinite possibilities. Gary Douglas, founder of Access, often talks about people having one side of the coin or the other, or flip-flopping back and forth, but not being on the creative edge of the coin. The creative edge is where you don't have the negative or the positive points of views, stories, beliefs, or anything swaying you, so that you have this possibility of creating something completely unique that might never have existed before. So when we run this, we can ask for, like, let's say you have, it's Christmas time. Let's say you have an issue with money. So you could say, all the 100s I have around money, keeping me from other possibilities, I destroy and uncreate it all. Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all 100 shorts, boys, povads, bases, creations, and beyonds. Whew. And it's like this huge energetic release from your system. It's been really cool just playing with it. So I invite you to play and let me know how it's going. And thank you again for watching. Please subscribe and check out some of my other classes and things besides YouTube, because I'd like to see you. I'd like to see you in person or on Zoom. It would be fun. So come play.